हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। This judgment slash order shall dispose of the above said two writ petitions full stop para. At the outset, it deserves mention that three incidents of alleged sacrilege qua Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikhs, are stated to have taken place from June to October 2015 in district Faridkot in Punjab full stop. Some protests were held against the alleged sacrilege full stop. During the process of maintaining the law and order situation, the police are stated to have fired upon the protesters at village Kalan under police station district Faridkot, wherein two persons are alleged to have died, and also at Kotkapura, where some police persons were seriously injured and one protester is alleged to have received grievous gunshot injury on thigh, and some other persons are alleged to have received minor injuries full stop. For all those incidents, at least 7 FIRs have been registered full stop. Some FIRs were from the side of police and some were from the side of protesters full stop. These FIRs are as under full stop para. In the present petitions, the incidents and FIRs relating to alleged sacrilege mentioned at above and the incident of violence and FIRs mentioned at regarding death of two persons are not involved full stop. These petitions involve only the incident of violence and the consequent FIRs mentioned at above, which pertain to injuries only to the police as well as to the protesters full stop. Therefore, this court is not considering or deciding anything regarding the FIRs mentioned above at relating to sacrilege or regarding the FIRs mentioned at relating to deaths full stop. This court is considering the matter involving the incident of Kotakapura only, which involves only the FIRs mentioned at C above and which relate only to injuries suffered or caused in the incident at Kotkapura full stop. Any reference or observation qua the cases mentioned at A or B above would only be incidental or for collateral purpose of decision of the present petition full stop para. The identical prayers made in both the present petitions are as under para. First, to issue a writ of certiorari for quashing FIR number 129 dated 7/8/2018 under sections 307, 326 and section 27 of the Arms Act, registered at Police Station City Kotakapura, District Faridkot, Annexure P9, being illegal as FIR for the same transaction already stands registered, bearing FIR number 192 dated 14/10/2015 under sections 307, 333, section 25 of Arms Act and sections 3 and 4 of Prevention of Damage to Public Property 1984, Annexure P7 at Police Station District Faridkot full stop para. Second, to declare that the ongoing investigation in subsequent FIR number 129 dated 7/8/2018 is illegal and impermissible and to quash the reports under section 173 CRPC full stop para. The main facts which are common in both these cases, which are being taken for reference from pleadings in CWP number 17459 of 2019 full stop, that an incident of alleged sacrilege due to some swarups of Guru Granth Sahib going missing from a Gurudwara in the area of police station. Full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये डिक्टेशन हो चुकी है 95 की स्पीड में. टफ डिक्टेशन इसलिए दे रहे हैं क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में आप जा रहे हो, ठीक है, लेकिन यकीन मानिए एग्ज़ाम का डिक्टेशन बहुत अच्छा आएगा और ये स्पीड हमने बढ़ाई भी हुई है, ठीक है. तो ये डिक्टेशन ट्रांसक्राइब करने के लिए नहीं दे रहे हैं, ये डिक्टेशन केवल हाथ चलाने के लिए दे रहे हैं. एकदम रफ डिक्टेशन की तरह लिखना, उसी तरह से हमने इसको मतलब एकदम नए जजमेंट को उठा कर दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. तो एकदम कायदे से लिखना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सिर्फ हाथ चलाना, कहीं पे भी कोंटा पा जाना, ऊपर टेबल पे रखना या मार्बल पे ज़मीन पे कहीं पे भी पट्टी उट्टी पर रख के छाप देना, ठीक है. और फिर एग्ज़ाम देने जाना बढ़िया हाथ चलाते हुए. चलते हैं, फिर मिलेंगे अगली डिक्टेशन में. और क्या कहते हैं, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब भूलिएगा मत, ठीक है. इंतज़ार करेंगे आपका. टाटा.